So here we are. First off, what a great ride.
Yeah, it was awesome. That was fun. San Diego, you gotta love it.
Can't beat it. And look who we found. We found Dorrie.
Dorrie!
And I love this whole series. It's about finding Dorrie. Where can we find Dorrie? And
Absolutely.
who better to have here than the owner of Premier Properties as well. George, tell us a little bit about Premier Properties.
Well, basically, we're a company that's all about giving. We definitely feel like we should give to our agents, give to the community, give to clients. Our agents have access to property management, construction, insurance, finance, pretty much everything they need in a transaction to really save them money, save the clients money, and we're here to help.
Very nice. And Dorrie, tell us a little bit about what's going to be happening at this home today.
Well, we're actually here, we're going to do a walk, and we're going to come up with some design choices, and I'm excited to show you some of the things that we have planned in this house.
You guys have fun. I'll catch you up afterwards.
We'll see you at the Speedboats.
Okay, awesome.
Ty, this is Tony.
How's it going, Ty?
Great to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I run the construction division.
Very nice, and I've heard great things about the construction division, so I'm excited for today and being inside of the home. Dorrie, what's going to be happening right now?
Well, today we're actually doing our first walkthrough of the home. We're coming up with some design ideas, looking at our budget and costs. Tony, can you show us around?
Yeah, let's want to start in the kitchen. That's a focal point.
Very nice. You know, the kitchen is the heart of the home.
We have Shannon taking a few notes for us today on our budget.
Shannon, how's it going?
Good, great, thanks.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
So sometimes, Ty, it's hard for people to visualize what a new kitchen could look like. So I'll send Dorrie a 3D rendering of the new cabinet and kitchen layout with the appliances, everything 3D, so it's really easy to visualize what our plan is.
Why would you say you've seen most of the money in these property flips go into kitchens and bathrooms?
You're gonna spend a lot of time throughout the day in the kitchen. It's kind of a meeting place. In living room, dining room, kitchen. It's just kind of the focal point of the daily activities. And everybody likes really nice finishes in their bathrooms.
So what's going on in here?
This is a great room. It has a nice light. The fireplace is in good condition. I would just whitewash the fireplace and the mantle. What do you think, Tony?
Yeah, I think that's great. Cost effective, really brighten up the room, especially with some new wall paint. You want to do can lights to kind of get some more lighting, or what are your thoughts?
Well, considering our budget, I would probably like to spend most of our money in the kitchen and the bathroom. Come this way, watch your step. This is the master bedroom.
Yeah.
And what's going to be taking place here, Dorrie?
Well, definitely new flooring, paint, and Tony, we're gonna have to tear that out and make it back to a closet.
So the party bath. I still don't know what that means. Give us the rundown.
It's a great shower. I'll let you guys lead the way.
All right.
Let's see.
Nice. I feel like we
Alright.
should see how many people can fit in here.
Dorrie, do you want to leave it like this, or what do you think?
I think that we could close off this door and make it maybe a walk-in shower.
So we've done a lot of filming, and never have we done filming in the shower. But I think we do some speedboats, meet back up with George, and have a little bit of fun. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.